Hello everyone, we are welcome back to this video because in this video we are going to do once again a real conversation as usual, and I think this one is going to be second, not second, it is going to be third session with this person. Okay, so already know that you all know that how do we conduct this session. In this session we ask Hindi sentences and my dear student will translate into English. So Aaron, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir, and you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So, without delay, let's start this session. But I would like to request you, before starting, you just give your brief introduction so that new viewers can understood about you, can know about you. So, would you like it?
Yes, sir.
So, go ahead.
My name is Aryan Yadav. I am studying in class 3rd A. I am 11 years old, and my son name is Mr. Samsiri Yadav. So,
Okay.
that's all about me.
In the next video, you'll have to be just only add three things. My name is, I am from, where are you from, and next one is what, and next one is age, class, where are you from. That's all. Okay, come to the point. Let's get start. So, आज आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
सर अच्छा लग रहा है.
No, you have to translate it. आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
आपको कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel?
How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today?
Okay. आपको अगर मैं पूछूं कि तुम कहाँ हो, तुम कहाँ
हो? Where do you?
Where do you? What you understand? I think you are not getting my point properly. आप कहाँ हो? It's very
आप
simple.
कहाँ हो? Where are you?
Where are you? Very nice. Next one. आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
Go ahead.
What are you doing here?
That's great. Very nice. What are you doing here? मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ.
I am practice.
I am doing
I am
practice.
doing practice.
Yeah, of English.
Of English.
Yeah, you can say I am doing practice of English. कोई नो दिक्कत. ठीक. मैं जानता हूँ तुम उसको जानते हो.
I know you know him.
लेकिन वह तुम्हें नहीं जानता है.
But he not know you. He does not know you.
Okay. तुम उसे पसंद करते हो. क्या तुम उसे पसंद करते हो?
Do you like him?
नहीं, मैं उसको पसंद नहीं करता हूँ.
No, I do not. I do not like he.
I do not like him. ठीक है. उसको कोई नहीं पसंद करता है.
उसको कोई नहीं पसंद करता है. No anybody like him.
हाँ, nobody likes him या nobody likes him. Okay. क्योंकि वो सभी को गाली देता है.
Because he abuses anyone.
He
abuses everyone.
हाँ, वह सभी को गाली देता है, इसलिए कोई उसे पसंद नहीं करता है. तो क्या होगा जवाब इसका? वह सभी को गाली देता है, इसलिए कोई उसको पसंद नहीं करता है.
He abuses everyone.
He abuses everyone.
He abuses everyone.
Okay, take it easy. Okay, be calm, be confident. No need to hurry up. Okay, that's all. Go ahead. He abuses
everyone. So
इसलिए हाँ, very good. इसलिए कोई उसे पसंद नहीं करता है.
Nobody like him.
हाँ, nobody likes him. Nobody likes him. ठीक है. मैं भी उसे नहीं पसंद करता हूँ.
I also
do not like him. Very nice, wonderful. I also do not like him. क्योंकि वो एक अच्छा लड़का नहीं है.
because because he not good boy.
Because he is not
He is not a good boy.
गुड बॉय, वेरी गुड। वह दिन भर घूमता रहता है।
He
Wondering,
He-
yeah, you can say he wonders all the
He
time.
wonders
Yeah,
all
he
the
keeps
time.
on wondering. Oh, it's a different types of sentence. You might okay, you don't know about it. He keeps on wondering, yeah, he keeps on wondering all the time. Okay, all the day. Come to the
Yes,
point
sir.
next. ठीक है, कोई नहीं जानता है कि वह कहाँ रहता है।
Nobody knows.
हाँ, nobody knows. Very nice.
Nobody knows.
वह कहाँ रहता है।
वह कहाँ रहता है?
Where?
Where does he live?
Very nice, wonderful. Nobody knows where does he live. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर। ठीक है, उसको कोई इज्जत नहीं करता है। उसका कोई इज्जत नहीं करता है। Nobody
respects him.
Very nice. Nobody respects him. उसे कोई नहीं पसंद करता है।
उसे कोई नहीं पसंद करता है।
Nobody
likes him.
Nobody likes
Him.
him. सभी लोग उससे नफरत करते हैं।
All people hate him.
All people hate him. All people hate him. बहुत सुंदर। सभी लोग उससे नफरत करते हैं। ठीक है, इसलिए मैं भी उसको नफरत करता हूँ। इसलिए
so I also hate him.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर। ओके, मैं जानता हूँ कि उसके घर में कितने लोग हैं।
I know. How do you?
नहीं, उसके घर में कितने लोग हैं। How many people
How many people
are there
are there
in his house? फिर से बताइए। मैं जानता हूँ कि उसके घर में कितने लोग हैं।
I know how many people in his home
are there in his home. ठीक है, उसके घर में कुल 6 लोग हैं।
There are 6 people in the. There are 6 people in their home.
In their उनके घर में कि उसके घर में।
In his home.
हाँ, that's great. ऐसे पॉइंट को पकड़ना है। ठीक है, अगर आप इस तरह की प्रैक्टिस कोई भी पेरेंट्स अगर अपने बच्चे को इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है, इस तरह के रियल सिचुएशन में उनको पुट इन करके उनको रियल सिचुएशन विजुअलाइज करा रहा है, अगर उसके माध्यम से अगर उसको ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है, तो इट इज़ द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेथड टू टीच द स्टूडेंट दिस लैंग्वेज. Okay, any language can be taught by this method because providing the real situation, real condition, and then give the chance to the student to translate, to realize them and try to feel the situation and then answer. So these kinds of activity, this method really help to the student to learn this language very fast. Okay, next question. उसके घर में कितने लोग हैं? उसके घर में 6 लोग हैं.
There are 6 people in his home.
Okay, there are 6 people in his home. ठीक है, 4 मेल हैं. उसके घर में 4 मेल्स हैं और 2 महिलाएं हैं. 4 मेल्स हैं और 2 महिलाएं, आप कह सकते हो.
There are 4 males and 2 females.
That's great, wonderful. You have answered well. ठीक है, उसके पापा एक किसान है.
Her father is farmer.
But her father, उसके, मैं किसके लिए लगा रहा हूँ, लड़का के लिए कि लड़की के लिए? उसके पापा,
उसके पिताजी
एक किसान है. तो हर होगा या हीज होगा?
उसके सर
नो, हर गर्ल्स के लिए लगता है. हीज. ओके, उसके पिता किसान है. वंस अगेन,
his father is farmer.
His father is farmer. Very good. वह 50 साल के हैं.
वह
50 साल 50 ईयर
he is 50 years old.
ही इज 50 ईयर्स
Old.
ओल्ड। ठीक है, उसके पिता बहुत ईमानदार हैं।
उसके पिता
हम्म,
his father is very honest.
very honest, very honest. Okay, Aryan, well done today. You have performed almost 100% correct answer of every sentences. I'm completely glad with you. Now, okay, now it is going to over this session. So, in the last, I would like to tell to every parents to please, okay, do the practice, give the practice session to their children so that they can practice, okay, so that they can learn this language properly. Thank you so much. Okay, Aaron.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.